my name is Heidi Bonesteel, and I am a principal designer with Bonesteel Trout Hall. Bel Air Terrace is situated on 1.5 acres of beautiful hexagonal site looking over the Pacific Ocean and up towards the Getty Museum. The design instantly starts outside with the no right angles rule. Everything is hexagonal shape. You'll see when you walk inside that the house itself is hexagonal, and it's wrapped around a hexagonal shaped pool and patio area. This house was so much fun to design. I can't wait to show you what we have in store for you. Follow me. This room is so tactile. The sheepskin rugs over these leather chairs and the extra thick Moroccan rugs are wonderful to touch and feel. Again, this room is odd shaped, so we did a sofa that is not any normal shape you would ever see. The hand-carved coffee table is something, again, to add some texture and some feeling to this room. The color palette is 1970s. We've made smaller little seating areas all within the same room. One of the most interesting talking points is this 10-foot wide brutalist frieze that Robbie Krieger from The Doors commissioned for the band. It's clay tiles, and as you get closer, you'll actually see each member carved into the clay tiles. One of the best features in this kitchen is the beautiful clear walnut cabinetry. It's book-matched walnut, and there's no hardware on the upper cabinets, but on the lower cabinets we have a very sleek black pull. This family loves to cook and loves to entertain, so we did this beautiful leathered marble, which is a little bit easier for staining, and then kept the walnut material on the outside where you're going to have your dinner or lunch. Having dinner at a walnut bar top is a lot better than having dinner at a really super hard cold stone surface. The living room is another area where we really took our cue from the different shapes in this house. We took the feature wall and complemented it with this great Minotti sofa. The feature wall itself is like origami, so the palette on the sofa is a little bit more natural and neutral, again, just to complement the shapes on this wall. The other shapes in this room is this repeating pattern in the ceiling. And taking advantage of the shape of the room, we have this double-sided sofa from Minotti where you can watch TV looking one way or look out at your view of the pool facing the other way. Another feature of this space is the natural light that comes through the skylights above you. The light that pours in is really relaxing any time of the year. So once you're in the master bedroom, you'll feel like it's a little bit cozier than the main portion of the house. Even though the rest of the house is very warm, this room is more moody. And we set the tone by using this beautiful ombre wallpaper on the back headboard wall that goes from light to dark in this moody green color. It's my belief that a bedroom should have some order to it so that when you're ready to go to sleep, there's not a lot of chaos in your mind. So for this room, it was a bit of a challenge because there are a lot of unique angles. So we custom designed this master bedroom bed to be perfectly symmetrical. And to further explore the coziness of this bedroom, we selected these Minotti chairs that look out onto the garden. The master bedroom is definitely the best place to unwind and take in the day. So as you can see, this home has so many great different angles and shapes, including this pool, which I might enjoy myself if you guys don't mind showing yourselves out. Thank you so much for coming. Take care.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. How about love? Share these homes, you know?